Alright, so what's up YouTube? I gotta show you guys something here. This is from the homie Jeremy from Boosted Boys. I'm pretty sure all you guys know about their channel. I'm not even gonna say go check it out because I'm pretty sure all you guys watch it. But for those of you that live under a rock and only watch me, which I really appreciate it, or not only watch me but know of me and not them, I'm just gonna put a little clip in here for the merch I got from them. So here it is, right there. Look at that, handwritten right there, Boosted Boys. Man, this came all the way from Colorado. Yeah. Oh no, I didn't touch the shirt. Damn, fresh merch. Hot off the press. Oh man, I'm gonna be rocking this, bro. Gonna be rocking this. I like it. I like it a lot. Boostipher approves of these goddamn shirts. They're really sick. I want to start making shirts myself now, but I think I'm too small for that. I'm just gonna stick with the stickers now. I know if you go on the website, you're still not able to order any. I'm sorry for the hold up on that. It's just I haven't got my shipping and stuff like laid out. I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet. I think by the time we're watching this clip in one of the videos, it should be up. So if you want to pick up a sticker, help out yo boy Boostipher. You know, I'm trying to get that Evo to 600 horsepower. I'm gonna do it, but you know, helping out, it just helps out a lot. You know, it just does. So yeah, if you like to, just help me out. Nah, I'm playing around, but let's get back to this video. Alright guys, got some Evo parts that came in right now. Check out, just plugging it right here, that Boosted Boys apparel shirt. I don't know, I just like it just because it's so sick, like the name Boosted Boy. They're a really good YouTube channel. They make dope content about sick cars. Okay, but guess what guys, some Evo parts came in, and let me show you guys what I got. Oh man, it feels so good when I get car parts in. Don't you just like that feeling? Smash that like button if you guys like it too as well. Alright guys, well check this box out. First of all, we got, this is the Driven Fab. It's the E85 line. So you could run E85. Well, all it is pretty much just a filter. Pretty sick. Now we've got Innovative and Driven Fab, I guess, together. What we see here, we got the flex fuel sensor. We got, this looks like a flex fuel, or this looks like maybe for the gauge. And this is more wire for the gauge probably. We got the gauge in here. We got the fuel line, the fittings for it. I don't know. Oh, that's like the ring for the gauge. And a cool sticker. Sweet. So pretty much now all I need is a fuel pressure regulator, and to buy all like the fittings and lines to put a fuel pressure regulator onto as well. This is all just for the fuel pump, the E85 what do you call it, the E85 filter. So yeah, like I said, I already bought like a little angled piece to use the stock fuel rail to throw on a fuel pressure regulator, and then I just need to buy more stuff to put the fuel pressure regulator on. So pretty much the fuel system's almost done, pretty much done already, because I'm just gonna let my brother know I need some fuel pressure regulator. I don't know which brand I'm gonna go with yet. He'll probably hook me up because he works at a high end, so that's where I get all my parts from too as well. This was a little different because I got it from Facebook. I got it on one of the forums, and the guy was from New York, and he sold everything to me really cheap. Like if you look at it, everything's super like clean, like, and it's brand new. He never opened anything. Like I guess he said he had a move or something. I forgot what it was, and everything was brand new. The kit alone of just the E85 is $400, and then the line was like one something or like 180. It was almost a lot, and I got everything for like 400 bucks, which I can't complain because, like, I don't know, I just got everything for 400 bucks. Why not do it? I was gonna buy it online, and might as well ask Facebook, and people had it for cheap. Yeah, bargain, people, bargain. Don't be afraid to be cheap. Alright guys, so this is just mainly an unboxing video of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't worry, I am gonna make an install video. It's really easy to install. It's pretty much meant for dummies. Like the wire and everything is like, the wiring and everything's already done for you, and you really don't have to do anything but wire in a gauge, literally. So I'll still go ahead and make the video for you guys, just because I know I looked on YouTube and there's no videos out there of installing the kit. Well, like a actually good one. There's a couple other ones out there, but they're not really like of actually installing it. So for you Evo fellas, I'm gonna make a full video on it, and pretty much on the full build too as well. So if you guys want to stay updated, hit that subscribe button and that like button, because the Evo is about to get serious, and trust me, you guys don't want to miss out on all the stuff I'm gonna do to the Evo. I know some of you out there want to do the same thing to your Evo, but are leaning towards not doing it and taking it to the shop, and it's expensive, but a lot of the stuff's not that hard, trust me. It's remove and replace bolt. Don't forget, down in the bio you could purchase some stickers if you want to help out your boy, but if not, it's cool. I'm still selling some to homies and stuff like that, and they're gonna be up there. And it depends, if I sell these out, maybe I start making shirts or something. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna start off small and then gradually move up. Peace out, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Get ready for more Evo videos, and I'm also gonna do a giveaway on these stickers, so I'm gonna put the details in the description below of how to enter the giveaway. Peace out, you guys.
Y'all some plain niggas, we insane, nigga. All I see is signs in the fucking crowd. I run all my homies, who gon' stop us now?